ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book Master Your Time in Under 7 Minutes. Master Your Time by Jim Massey is an invaluable resource for honing time management skills. The author adeptly dissects the secrets of effective time management, offering practical tips and strategies suitable for anyone seeking to take control of their schedules. The book's language is straightforward and easily comprehensible, catering to a diverse audience. Whether you are a student, professional, or navigating life's complexities, the author delivers actionable insights to enhance your productivity. What sets this book apart is author's commitment to practicality. He goes beyond theory, providing real-world techniques to empower readers in taking charge of their time and accomplishing their goals. It's an essential read for those aspiring to maximize their valuable time and optimize their personal and professional pursuits. Here are 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Identifying the time wasters. Identifying time wasters is like figuring out activities that don't help us grow. The author suggests we spot habits that use up our time but don't make us better personally or professionally. Once we know these habits, we can decide to focus on things that really matter. It's about being aware and making smart choices to spend our time on what helps us grow. By doing this, we prioritize what's important and avoid wasting time on things that don't add value to our lives. It's like cleaning up our schedule to make our room for meaningful and beneficial activities. This proactive approach helps us prioritize what truly matters, ensuring we allocate our time to endeavors that add real value and foster continuous improvement. Lesson number 2. Prioritization techniques. The author teaches readers different ways to prioritize tasks based on their goals. The author highlights the significance of telling apart urgent and important tasks, helping readers use their time wisely. By using these prioritization techniques, readers can focus on what really matters and manage their time more effectively. Use tools like Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks and allocate time accordingly. It's about understanding what needs immediate attention and what contributes to long-term goals. This way, people can make sure they are spending their time on things that truly align with their objectives and lead to meaningful results. Lesson number 3. Delegate when possible. The lesson of delegating when possible is a strategic approach to productivity and efficiency. By entrusting tasks to others, you not only distribute the workload but also free up your time to concentrate on endeavors that demand your specific skills and expertise. Delegating is a powerful tool for effective time management, allowing for a more streamlined and focused approach to achieving goals. It fosters collaboration, enhancing the collective strengths of a team or community. Moreover, embracing delegation reflects a wise recognition of personal limitations, enabling you to leverage the talents of others for collective success. In essence, the ability to delegate is a key leadership skill that optimizes resources and contributes to both individual and collective accomplishments. Lesson number 4. Batching and time blocking. In Master Your Time, the author introduces 2 productivity strategies: batching and time blocking. Batching involves grouping similar tasks together, while time blocking is about assigning specific time slots for different activities. By using these techniques, readers can streamline their work and minimize the distractions. Batching helps tackle similar tasks in one go, reducing the time lost in switching between different activities. For example, handle all emails in one session, then move on to the phone calls. Time blocking sets dedicated periods for specific responsibilities, enhancing focus and efficiency. Together, these methods empower readers to optimize their productivity by organizing tasks in a structured and concentrated manner, ultimately leading to better time management. Lesson number 5. Take care of your health. Prioritizing your physical and mental well-being is crucial for maintaining high productivity. Regular exercises keeps your body fit and boosts your energy levels, helping you stay active throughout the day. A balanced diet provides essential nutrients that fuel your brain and body, enhancing cognitive functions and overall performance. Adequate sleep is vital for mental clarity, memory retention, and emotional stability. Incorporate short breaks in your daily schedule to relax and recharge, preventing burnout. Managing stress through mindfulness, meditation, or relaxation techniques can improve focus and reduce anxiety. Staying hydrated and practicing good posture can also contribute to better health and productivity. By taking care of your health, you ensure that you have the stamina and mental capacity to handle the tasks efficiently. A healthy lifestyle supports sustained performance, enabling you to master your time and achieve your goals. Lesson number 6. Effective conversational skills. In this book, the author highlights that effective time management goes beyond personal productivity and extends to communications. The book underscores the importance of clear communication in reducing misunderstandings, preventing unnecessary delays, and streamlining collaborative efforts. By emphasizing the role of conversational skills in time management, the author encourages readers to articulate expectations, share information transparently, and maintain open lines of communication. This ensures smoother coordination and enhances efficiency in both personal and collaborative tasks, ultimately contributing to more effective time utilization. Lesson number 7. Plan your day in advance. Spend a few minutes each evening planning the next day to set a clear roadmap. Start by listing the top 3 to 5 tasks you need to accomplish, ensuring they align with your broader goals. Allocate specific time slots for each task, taking into account your natural energy levels and peak productivity periods. Include buffer times for unexpected interruptions and breaks to prevent burnout. Planning ahead reduces decision fatigue, allowing you to jump straight into work without hesitation. It also helps you anticipate potential challenges and prepare solutions in advance. A well-structured day fosters a sense of control and purpose, minimizing the likelihood of procrastination. By creating a detailed plan, you can seamlessly transition between activities, maintain focus, and maximize your efficiency. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan ensures that you stay flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. This proactive approach leads to a more balanced, productive, and fulfilling day. So, Master Your Time is not just a time management guide, it's a practical roadmap for achieving a balanced and fulfilling life. Jim Mass's approachable writing style and actionable advice make this book a valuable resource for individuals striving to maximize their potential by mastering the art of time management. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but books draws from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.